Disabling two-factor authentication on your SHEIN account can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Log into your SHEIN account. Open the SHEIN app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the Profile menu or under My Account. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Within the Account Settings, look for the Security Settings option. This section typically includes options related to two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox to disable it. Click on it to turn off the feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your SHEIN account. Always ensure your account is secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.